it's your girl Nadia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chronicles of Nadia. Hi guys, it's your girl Nadia here, and today we're going to be making a Trinidadian dish. Our ingredients are some aloo, aka potatoes, chickpeas and Channa. And then over here, this Trinidadian to say Channa and aloo. And these are onion, garlic, this is cilantro, some curry. It's kind of like yellowish. Just wanted to say that out. We have some pepper and salt, and we got 2.5 cups of water. Let's get started. My dad already prepped for me, so we are now just mixing the curry with the potatoes. Okay, done mixing. My dad kind of helped me. It's a lot to mix. So you just mix the curry with the potatoes, aka aloo. We threw in the Channa. Let's do this. We're gonna mix it with the potato, aka aloo, with the onions and stuff in here. Mix it. Oops, gotta put that potato over here. Get out of here, potato! Guys, me and my dad just poured in the water, so it's cooling down, and we're gonna let this sit for 20 to 15 minutes. And over there, that chickpea still got out. There's lots of chickpeas in here, but that chickpea is on the loose. All right, guys, it's done. So now we are going to try it, and I got a little nibble just in case. And now let's try it. Let's get some rice, a bit of potato. Where's the chickpea? All right, oops, get it on there. It's super good. I love it. See y'all next time. Goodbye.